Hello students, welcome to our science class. This is standard 7, chapter number 2, plants, structure and function. In this chapter, we are learning about the plants, various types of plants, roots, stems, leaves, flowers and fruits. So, the root, stem, leaves, flower, fruit of a different plant are different. We can identify plants with the help of these different characteristics. Let us now ourselves with these plants organs in greater details. First of all, we study about the formation of a root. The part that grows from inside the seed towards the soil is called the radicle, and the part that grows above the soil is called as an plumule, as shown in figure. This is the basic character of a root. The root that forms from the radicle grows into the ground. The root is thick near the ground and gradually tapers to a pointed end. This part of the plant growing below the soil for support is called as an root. Second, that is taproot system. Roots of some plants produce secondary roots that grows obliquely and spread far and wide. In the soil, root supports the plants. This type of root is called as taproot. Roots bear hair-like processes near the root tips. These are root hairs. The root tip is delicate. This is the region of the growth of the root. The tip is covered by cap-like structure called the root cap. The root cap protects the root tip from injuries, as shown in figure. Thread-like or fiber-like roots arising from the stems are called as fibrous roots. Thus, there are two main types of roots, taproot and fibrous roots. Dicotyledonous plants have taproots while monocotyledonous plants have fibrous roots. Next, we learn about the stem. The stem grows above the soil from the plumule of the sprouting seed. As the sprouts grows, the length of stem gradually increases too. There are nodes on the stem. Leaves come out at the nodes. The part of the stem between two nodes is called as an internode. The tip the apical end of the stem is called as a bud. Observe a branch of any plant and identify its different parts as per the diagram. On the stem there is the petiole, nodes, internodes, axillary bud, leaf are present. Secondly, we learn about the leaf. Leaves grow from the nodes on a stem. Leaves are generally thin, flat, green in color. The broad, spread out part of the leaf is called a leaf blade or a lamina, and its edge is called leaf margin. Leaf margins may be entire, dented or lobed, as shown in figure. The tip of the leaf is called the leaf apex. It may be tapering, pointed or rounded. Leaves of some plants have stalk called a petiole. Leaves of some plants do not have a petiole. The portion of leaf attached to the stem is called the leaf base. Small leaf-like structures may be present near the leaf base. These are called as stipules. Leaves of some plants have a single unvalved leaf blade and a single midrib. Such leaves are called simple leaves. However, the leaf blades of leaves in some plants is divided into many small parts called as leaflets. Such leaves are called compound leaves. Simple leaf and compound leaf are the two main type of leaves. Observe a branch of plant like rose, neem, coriander and hibiscus. In different plants, the arrangement of leaves on the stem is different. It may be alternate, opposite, roll, spiral according to the shape of leaves and rounded, palmate, lanceolate and linear. Next, we learn about the flowers. Flowers may have a long or a short stalk called as petiole. As shown in figure, this is a vertical section of a hibiscus flower. Flowers may have a long or a short stalk called as pedicel. One end of the pedicel is attached to the stem. The other one end of the pedicel is expanded and swollen. It is called the receptacle. Petals and other part of the flowers are supported on the receptacle. Calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium are different parts of the flower as shown in figure. First we learn about the calyx. In the bud condition, the petals are covered by the leaf-like parts called sepals, which are green in color. They form the calyx. Second one is corolla. This is made up of a colorful part called petals. Observe the shape, colors and smell of the corolla of various flowers like the rose, hibiscus, mogra, conhair and tagger are different. Next is androecium. This is male reproductive part of the flower. It consists of stamens. Each stamen is made up of another filament. Next one is gynoecium. This is the female reproductive part of the flower. This is made up of carpels. A carpel consists of stigma, style and ovary. After maturity, anthers burst and the pollen grains which are released fall on the stigma. This process is called as pollination. Due to pollination, ovules, egg cells in the ovary get fertilized. Fertilized ovules from the seeds and the ovary develops into a fruit. Next, we learn about the fruits. We can make different type of fruits. We eat many different types of fruits. Each type of fruits has its own characteristics. There are various in their shapes, colors, taste, etc. Mango contains only one seed, whereas jackfruit consists of many small fruitlets, each with its own seed. Observe the fruit of mango, chiku, apple. What do you observe? Each fruit has a different skin or shell, fleshy part and seeds. In case of fruits like cashews, its seeds is outside the fruit. Soak the seeds of pea, wheat, rice, jowar, groundnut in the water for 3 to 4 hours. Press the seeds with your fingers and observe them. Which seeds get divided into two equal parts? Seeds which get divided into two equal parts are called as dicotyledons, and the seeds which do not divide it into two equal parts that are called as monocotyledon seeds. So today we are learn about the fruit, stem, roots, leaves and stem of the plants. I hope you will understand Thank you.